guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you're viewing anyone's story on your Facebook app on your phone. So at that time you are facing getting this type of irritating error on your app. As you can see guys in my screen, no internet connection, this story could not be loaded. Please check your connection and try again. So the reason behind this error is this guys. So if there is no internet connection on your phone at that time, you can definitely 100% face this kind of problem errors on your Facebook app. So first you need to check and sort your internet connection. In case internet connection is working fine on other app, only you're facing the error on your Facebook app, that means the problem is from the Facebook. Okay, so what happened guys, sometime if the Facebook server was down, automatically you can get this type of irritating error on your app. So wait for a few minutes and try to view your Facebook story after few minutes. Okay, and then hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you need to close the app. After closing, you need to update the app. To update the app, open the Play Store. If you are using iPhone, open the App Store, and in the store you need to search Facebook and simply go ahead update the app. Okay, after updating, hopefully this will also helps you to fix your problem. Still in case you're facing same type of problem, now you need to clear the cache of your app. Tap and hold on your app, open the app info, go to storage, and here you can get the option clear caches. Okay, so if the problem was not solving at that time, you need to clear the data of your app. So remember one thing guys, if you're clearing the app data, so it may log out your account or it will reset everything from your Facebook account. So do it on your own risk. Okay, if the problem was not solving at that time, you need to follow this method. Okay, now go back and here you can get the option force stop. Just tap on force stop. Okay, so one more basic thing is this guys, if you need to check your phone's date and time. If the phone date and time is incorrect, you need to correct this. Sometime this will also create the problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So that's it today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.